AudioLogic Hearing is an independent audiology and hearing device clinic providing premium hearing care to adults and children from 4 years of age. With 4 locations across Melbourne, we offer a wide range of hearing services. Owner-operated and supported by personal and caring staff, our accredited audiologists are experts in the field and hold a master's degree in clinical audiology. Our audiologist will ensure your hearing needs are being met and that you are receiving the maximum benefit from your hearing devices. We fit the latest hearing device technology from a range of leading brands. Some features include improved speech clarity, listening comfort, decreased background noise, wireless connection to Bluetooth devices such as mobile phones, and fully rechargeable hearing devices. Our audiologist will discuss the various options with you, and together a hearing device will be selected based on your hearing loss, communication needs, lifestyle, budget, and personal preferences. For more information or to make an appointment, call 03 9754 4162 or visit audiologic.com.au.